Hello. Welcome back to TricksYoutube. Do you want to know how to make a photo talking like this?
Technology nowadays is crazy. If you are not confident facing camera, you can make Elon Musk talk for you.
You can also make painting talking too. Whatever image with face, you can make them talk with just one click.
Or maybe Harry Potter. Expecto Patronus.
Or Professor Dumbledore with this voice?
Who says Donald Trump?
You don't need to install apps to do this. Just photo, browser, and internet. Are you ready? Check this out.
First of all, open your browser on your phone and type studio.d-id.com. Well, don't worry, I put the link in the description of this video. And click Create Video. You can either use your own photo or use I. Let's try using I this time. Click Generate I Presenter. And input the character you want. For example is Harry Potter. But first, you will have to sign up using your Gmail account. Since the site is not for mobile, you can use desktop view. Click the three dots on the top right corner. Scroll and click Desktop Site. Now, click Create Video. And click Generate I Presenter. You can try Superman. Avatar. Lionel Messi. Cristiano Ronaldo. Or just choose the default characters here. I will try using Handsome Man. And now, you can then write the script what your photo have to pronounce. The lips will be moving following this script, and the photo will blink too. And you can pick the languages. And the types of voice, whether female or male. Click audio to listen to the preview.
You see, it just needs one click to make a photo talking like real human being.
If you think everything is perfect, click Generate Video. And click Download to save on your gallery.
You see, it just needs one click to make a photo talking like real human being.
Thank you for watching. Now you have no excuse to not start making videos. Let's grow up together. See you.